everyone! In this video, we are going to learn about the random password suggestion functionality for the SkyDoc portal. If we need to provide SkyDoc portal access to any entities like customers, vendors, contacts, or employees, we need to open their entity record and then check the SkyDoc portal access checkbox. If we want to notify the users about their new SkyDoc portal access, check the SkyDoc portal access notification checkbox as well. Previously, users had to create a password for the entity being given access to the SkyDoc portal. But now, if we click the SkyDoc portal password field, we will be able to see a pop-up that shows a system-generated password. If we click the Use System Generated Password button on the pop-up, the randomly generated password will appear in the SkyDoc portal password field. If we don't want to use the system-generated password and wish to use a custom one instead, we can type the password of our choice into the field. Once we do that, save the record. So this is how we can use the password suggestion functionality in the SkyDoc portal.